our two-door region refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 54 inches, a depth 32.5 inches, and a height with wheels we have 83 inches tall. Left and right swing doors, and included are 6 adjustable shelves. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included. The measurements for each shelf will include 23.25 inches in length by 23.75 inches in depth. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator will include 50 inches in length by 26 inches in depth. Overall height, we have 51.5 inches. Coming to the left will be the ETL certification sticker. Coming to the right will be the temperature control along with the power switch. Lock and keys will be provided. And to the back of the unit will be the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.